Malacanang assures that the government is exerting all efforts to secure the release of two German nationals being held hostage by the terrorist group Abu Sayyaf in Sulu. According to Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, the no-ransom policy of the government stays. The Abu Sayyaf has threatened to kill their hostages if the 250 million peso ransom they are demanding in exchange for their captives' release is not granted by tomorrow. Victor Stefano Okonek, 71, and Henrique Dita, 55, were abducted by the group in April after their yacht broke down near the island of Palawan and en route to Sabah.
The Philippine government is exerting all efforts to secure the safe release of the German hostages, and we will continue to pursue this objective.
Sir, how about
Sa kaduluduluhan ng lahat, ang nais natin ay yung securing the safe release. At wala naman tayong walang pagbabago sa patakaran ng ating pamahalaan.